Good morning. Ah!
I'm moving the thing.
Tilted us.
Yeah, well.
Oh, getting wobbly. It won't fit up there.
Ugh.
Hold on, I'll have something in a minute before we start driving. Say good morning.
Why?
Say good morning. Say morning, Izzy. No.
No. She goes, not this morning, Mama.
She's got this no kick going on.
She's had a no kick going on for a while.
What? Oh, don't hit me. Let's go. Hi, baby. Oh, somebody's a little pouty face. Izzy! Izzy! You ready to make some homemade Play-Doh? Yeah! So here it is after we've made it. The girls played with it already. I didn't get it recorded. Whoopsie. Yep. Yep. It's really soft and squishy. They were having so much fun playing with it. Maybe I'll get them playing with it again. Oops, my phone. I hate this stupid thing. It doesn't want to stay focused. They loved it. But yep, here it is. It smells like strawberries and cream because that's the conditioner I used. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Yeah. Oh, poor child. Ugh. You're crazy. You done? No more? Are you running away from me? Sniff my toes. Ooh. Well, hello, people. We are going to the store, but just so you know, this is a second day on one vlog because I just didn't have enough stuff to put on the other one. So I'm feeling
you're
this
lazy.
face. Shut your face.
Yeah. Your selfie stick's in your purse too, by the way.
Well, I'll deal with that later.
Turn.
Sweet. So we got these at the dollar store, which is really cool. I didn't know they sell them at the dollar store. Gonna try one out when we get home. Yay! Okay, and we got
Morning glory.
yes.
Glorified sparklers.
And then of course the regular sparklers. So
Sparkling.
yeah, we're gonna do those. I'll do these with the kids because he's gotta work. It's alright though. In the next few days, I think he's wanting to get some fireworks if there's any left over.
Oh, there will be some left over. We just gotta find a good fireworks store, like an actual brick and mortar hardware or fireworks store.
Well, what about the thing that's hanging outside of Walmart?
I don't know how long they're gonna be there. I mean, they might be there tomorrow and stuff, but
They should be there a couple of more days.
Maybe a couple days, but.
Izzy, you want to go shoot some fireworks? Want to go boom? She's like, huh? I don't get you. How about you? Oh, Skylar's rubbing her eyes. Time for a nap.
Skylar's running. Stupid.
One more. We have one more.
Go. Get over here, Stanky. Phew.
All done. Hold it. Just hold it. Don't shake it. You ran away, Skylar.
She says, I don't like it. You hear her? She says, no. Yeah. Before you get burnt, I know.